Want to transform your living space into a cozy haven in minutes? Today, we're diving into the best electric fireplace inserts that combine style, warmth, and convenience. Whether you're looking for ambiance, heat, or a modern centerpiece, we've got you covered with the top picks for every budget. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for the latest deals and detailed specs. Let's jump in. Experience the cozy warmth and ambiance of a modern electric fireplace that effortlessly transforms any room. The LegendFlame 2-inch electric fireplace log set features a freestanding design, making it ideal for small or large openings and easy placement in existing cabinets or hearths. Crafted from high-quality resin and wood, it offers a stunning, realistic flame effect with glowing ember beds that rival traditional wood-burning fireplaces. Boasting 5,000 BTU heat output, it can comfortably warm rooms up to 400 square feet without dust, smoke, or regulatory concerns. The energy-efficient LED flames operate independently of the heater, allowing year-round enjoyment of the visual effect. Additional convenience comes with the included remote control. While installation is virtually effortless, simply plug it in. Customers praise its realistic flames, effective heat, and simplicity of setup. While the flame crackle provides added ambiance, some note it can sound slightly tinny. With CSA certification and a 1-year limited warranty, it offers safety, style, and peace of mind for any living space. Enhance your home with a wall-mounted electric fireplace that blends modern technology with classic warmth. The Touchstone Smart Electric Fireplace, sideline 36-inch, offers recessed installation for a sleek, integrated look. Its realistic flames simulate a traditional fireplace, complete with faux logs and crystals, while the 5 flame settings provide varying intensities from a gentle ember glow to a blazing fire. Producing 5,100 BTU, it heats rooms up to 400 square feet efficiently. The unit includes a 6-foot power cord for plug-in use or can be hardwired for permanent installation. Smart features allow remote control via included IR remote, Alexa, Google Home, or mobile app, offering convenience at your fingertips. Customers report easy installation and reliable operation with flames that impress visually and warmth that quickly reaches comfort levels. While exceptionally quiet for most, a few note minor squeaking sounds. The sideline is ventless, safe to touch on sides and back, and provides a functional and stylish solution for enhancing your living room, bedroom, or office space. Bring the charm of a traditional log fireplace into your space without the hassle of wood or smoke. The Riseon electric fireplace logs deliver a realistic 3D flame effect, mimicking the gentle roll of burning logs. Constructed with cast iron and powder-coated finish, it combines durability with a classic design. The freestanding unit features an adjustable thermostat, dimmable flame effect, timer, and 2 heat settings, allowing precise control over comfort and energy efficiency. Its 1,800-watt heater quickly warms bedrooms, offices, or living spaces, while the flame function can operate independently for year-round ambiance. Safety is prioritized with ETL certification and an automatic overheat shutdown function, ensuring peace of mind. Customers appreciate its portability, easy plug-in installation, and lifelike flame patterns that reflect off walls for added realism. Opinions on the remote control are mixed, but overall, users report that it heats effectively, looks elegant, and provides a low-maintenance alternative to traditional fireplaces. The Riseon logs are perfect for enhancing mood and warmth in a compact, stylish package. Transform your living area with a versatile electric fireplace insert that combines style, heat, and multi-sensory experience. The Masarflame 36-inch electric fireplace insert features retro-inspired 3-sided interior brick walls and realistic resin logs with a glowing ember bed. Producing 5,000 BTU, it efficiently warms rooms up to 400 square feet using a 2-level heating option, 750-watt, 1,500-watt, or runs flame-only mode for year-round ambiance. Installation is straightforward, whether wall-mounted or inserted into an existing fireplace, with a 6-foot power cord for plug-in convenience. Its flame modes include adjustable colors and intensities, while a built-in speaker simulates authentic crackling sounds for a fully immersive experience. Customers find it visually appealing, appreciating the realistic flames and logs, along with easy placement and sufficient supplemental heating. While the sound feature receives mixed reviews, the overall consensus highlights value for money, reliability, and effortless integration into homes or offices. Overheat protection ensures safety, making it both stylish and functional for modern living spaces. Add warmth and ambiance to your home with a compact yet effective electric fireplace designed for quick comfort. The Turbro 26-inch electric fireplace features upgraded infrared quartz heating, delivering gentle warmth without drying the air. This freestanding unit provides 1,500 watts of heat and covers up to 1,000 square feet, making it ideal for small to medium spaces. Its unique breathing flame mode, 5 flame options, and 5 brightness levels create customizable visual appeal, while a remote control ensures easy adjustment from anywhere in the room. The powder-coated metal construction ensures durability, and plug-and-play installation allows immediate use. Customers praise its realistic flame effect, functionality, and safety features, including automatic overheating protection. The fireplace serves as a cost-effective supplementary heater and decorative centerpiece, providing the cozy look of a traditional fireplace without wood or smoke. Some note that the flame crackling sound is less authentic, but the overall experience combines effective heating, user-friendly controls, and visual charm, making it a versatile addition to living rooms or offices. Experience energy-efficient heating combined with elegant design in a sleek wall-mounted electric fireplace. The Glacer 28.5-inch electric fireplace insert offers adjustable flame effects, 3 color flame options, and 5 brightness levels to create a warm, inviting ambiance. Constructed from alloy steel, the unit features a remote control and a 1,500-watt heater capable of warming rooms up to 400 square feet efficiently. With 2 heat settings and a flame-only option, it allows year-round use without excess electricity consumption. The vent-free design ensures safe operation with no smoke or ash, while built-in overheat protection provides peace of mind. Customers find installation versatile, with the ability to recess into mantles or place on a cabinet, and report visually appealing flames with subtle glow reflections, enhancing room aesthetics. While some note installation can be tricky, most praise the quiet operation, realistic visual effects, and value for money. The Glacer fireplace offers a blend of style, warmth, and functionality for any contemporary home. Upgrade your fireplace experience with a wall-mounted insert that blends retro charm with modern functionality. The Masarflame 33-inch electric fireplace insert offers lifelike resin logs, ember beds, and 3-color atmospheric lighting with 5 variable flame intensities. Producing 5,100 BTU, it efficiently warms up to 400 square feet with dual heating options, 750 watt, 1,500 watt for energy-saving operation. The unit can operate in flame-only mode for decorative use throughout the year, while front air vents deliver supplemental heat safely and effectively. Its metal construction with painted and lacquered finishes ensures durability and long-lasting appeal. Installation is simple, whether wall-mounted or inserted into an existing fireplace, and the included remote control provides convenient adjustments. Customers highlight its visual appeal, realistic flames, and good heat output for small to medium rooms. Although sound effects receive mixed impressions, the overall feedback emphasizes ease of installation, aesthetic enhancement, and supplemental heating performance. This electric fireplace insert is perfect for offices, living spaces, or any room needing warmth with a stylish, retro-inspired design. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this guide to the best electric fireplace inserts, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more home upgrade tips. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the products we featured. Your perfect cozy corner is just a click away.